Buenas tardes, buenas tardes.
¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo estás?
Yo muy bien, gracias. Yo muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted?
Me too.
Okay.
How are you doing, Kama?
Good.
What's different?
Slowly.
Slowly?
Yeah.
Little different?
Yeah.
Anything new show up? Any new pain, new ache?
Pain only here.
Okay.
When I walk too much, I have a pain here.
Okay. What's better? Everything is a little bit better?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have you stand up and let's walk. Caminas. Okay. There's little more movement in the hip.
Okay.
Keep walking, please. All right, you see how there's a good shift right now, and we know that, and that's okay. We're gonna work on it. Okay, have a seat, please, over here. Let's continue. Nothing new pain. How is your sleep?
I'm sleep better.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, starting at the base of the neck. We started up at C1. C1 is clear. Getting around T3, T4. Getting around T3, T4, 8, 9 points, left side. As we're running down the middle of the back, T9 is good. Little flutters going on there, no break. Madame, you're actually doing a lot better on the meter here. We are going to be continuing down low here and here. Now here's what's interesting. We were up here in 9. These are clear, okay?
Okay.
I'm working on this one and still down low here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Número 3, mucho
Yes.
duele 3
Sí.
o 4.
3 y 4.
3 y 4,
Yeah.
how about 5?
No.
No 5. 4,
Yes.
3.
Yeah.
We're gonna do 4. Both are tender. Again, 4 is there, the spinous. The nerve of 4 is there, which is right around the vertebrae of 3. Okay, let's continue. Back slowly towards me. Sit up a little bit straighter. Bueno. Back slowly. Back. Bueno. Número 5. Número 4. ¿Duele?
Yeah.
Número 4.
Yeah.
Número 5.
Yeah.
Mucho duele. ¿Dónde?
4.
4. How about down here?
Yeah. Pain.
More duele
Sí.
aquí,
Sí.
por acá,
Abajo. Down.
abajo. So we're gonna continue down, sacrum and T4 today.
Okay.
There's a lot of scar tissue in your low back, okay?
Okay.
We gotta fix it. Let's go face down, please. Now, you're also telling me, we talked a little bit about coccyx, but we're not there right now.
Okay.
Hands down, please. Right over here. Slide down this way. Bueno. Bueno. 4. Poquito. Drop the hands down. There you go. Okay. Alrighty. Respire. Sáquelo. Otra vez. Sáquelo. Bueno. Respire. Sáquelo. Bueno. Otra vez. Perfecto. That's a home run, baby. Good. Bueno. Let's walk, please. One more time. Watch her feet. Good. One more time. Have a seat. Diferente.
Yeah, diferente.
Sí. T3, T4 area is clear. Bueno. Sacrum is clear. Sit up straight. Mira. Sit up straight. Straight. Sit up this way. Bueno. Back towards me. Back. Número 4. Número 5. S1. Or in her case was L6. S1. Diferente.
Yeah.
Come back more. Come back. Back, 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 back. Excellent. Now let's use the machine and break up some. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, walk it off one time, please. Now you understand what I'm doing? You understand what's going on?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Squeeze my hand. Squeeze. 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 Just a tiny bit on the elbow. Squeeze. This is visit number 2.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to give you a few days and follow up with you.
Okay.
Questions?
No.
We'll continue as we're doing.
Okay.
You do see there's a little difference with what
Yeah.
we did. You need to make sure you're doing your walking, okay? I know you do it, but just make sure.
Okay.
Continue 1 hour a day.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.